So akong gihangyo ang akong kaubang mga opisyales sa pagduol dinhi para sa atong paghatag sa atong Certificate of Appreciation. So I would like to read the citation. United Church of Christ in the Philippines, Northwest Mindanao Jurisdiction, Western Mindanao Conference, Christian Young Adults Fellowship, Matthew Chapter. Certificate of Appreciation is given to Reverend Jobert M. Rubio, DCM, for obeying God's call by sharing his precious time, talent, and ideas as guest speaker of the 31st Matthew Chapter Fellowship and annual Pastors Appreciation, all for God's greatest glory and honor. Given this 25th day of January 2025, at Kahakay Resort, Aluran, Misamis Occidental. Signed, yours truly, Secretary and Zone Coordinator, Ro Marlon J. Magno. Congratulations! So, kaninga day is really an answered prayer for SIAF. Kay, grabe ang schedule sa DepEd niya. Mga teachers biya may naglunod-lunod. So, thanks God na gihatag yun sa Ginoo nga time.